How many people are there in your family?
There are 4 people in my immediate family: my parents, my younger sister, and myself.
What do you like to do together as a family?
We enjoy having meals together, playing board games, watching movies, and going on little weekend trips to explore nature.
How much time do you spend with your family?
I try to have dinner with my family 3 or 4 nights a week. On weekends, we spend several hours together each day. I think it's important to make quality family time.
What topics do you like to discuss with your family?
We discuss our days, things going on in our lives, current events, ideas about the future, really all aspects of life. I appreciate getting their opinions.
Do you think family relationships are important? Why?
Yes, family relationships are very important to me because family provides emotional support and teaches important values from a young age. Family bonds last a lifetime.
What traditions does your family have?
Some of our traditions include making doses together on Sundays, reading bedtime stories, playing board games on Fridays, and gatherings with extended family on holidays.
Has your family changed over time?
My family has evolved over time as my sister, and I have grown up. The core bond remains, but our discussions and activities have matured as we've gotten older.
What things do you argue about in your family?
Usually, it's about chores like who has to do them, or borrowing stuff without asking. Sometimes it's about what to watch on TV, but we usually sort things out pretty fast.
Do you feel part of your extended family?
Absolutely. I feel very close to my aunts, uncles, grandparents, and cousins. We may not see each other daily, but we make an effort to connect regularly.
Are there any famous people in your family?
No one directly famous, but I've been told I'm distantly related to a well-known historical poet. I need to research more into my ancestry to find out if it's true.